Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can open 2 or more notes on Obsidian Notes in a split screen, for example, to view them at the same time on one display. So let us guide you through this. Head over to the Obsidian Notes application on your device, navigate to the given vault in the bottom left, and open one of your notes in a tab. Now open another one by right-clicking into it and by selecting Open in New Tab. As you can see, both are open in 2 separate tabs. However, there's no split screen yet. So how do we do it? This is how you create a split screen. So right-click into the currently open tab and then choose split right or split down, one of these. I will go with split right. And now, as you can see, that node has been opened in a separate tab here on the right hand side, so that you can navigate to the other node here on the left half and compare, for example, your 2 nodes. Now you can, for example, hover your mouse over that divider here and move it to the left or to the right to adjust the size of these 2 halves, and then you can divide your screen even more. So let me open this 3rd tab as well, and then right click into it and choose split down. And as you can see, guys, now we have 3 separate views here, split into 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, and you can do this with more tabs depending on how many you have, how many nodes you have in your vault to view them at the same time. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.